What's up? Order in the Court. It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker, and you already know what time it is. Welcome to my show, Order in the Court, where you write me and I give you my honest opinion about what you need to do. You can't take this as legal advice because I don't represent you, and the facts that you're giving me are limited. But I promise you I'm going to do the best that I can with what I have, and I also make sure that I give you my honest opinion just like my clients. So, hey. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. My ex-spouse was supposed to refinance the car she drives out of both of our names and then solely in her name. It was written into our divorce decree that she was supposed to complete this task within 6 months following our divorce. However, it's been 18 months and she still has not refinanced the car to get my name off of the loan. What can I do to reinforce this, if anything? The first thing that you should always do whenever you have a divorce decree that says somebody's going to refinance something is always get some sort of document that states that if they do not refinance as they have said they're going to do, you have the right to come in and force a sale. Okay? That's what you should get. If you don't have that piece of paper, that is absolutely fine. You're going to go back to court and you're going to ask the court for a clarification and you're going to file an enforcement. The reason I want you to file a clarification is because I have not seen your divorce decree, and I don't know if your divorce decree says everything that it should say about the refinance. Just in case it doesn't, you want to file that to clear yourself, to make sure that in case the divorce decree is not specific enough in its terms, the court can go back in the divorce decree, alter it and change it to make sure it's specific so that you can force her ass to follow it. The enforcement should be brought because she didn't do what the hell she was supposed to do. She was supposed to refinance that car within 6 months and she has not done so. You're going to need to bring a motion for enforcement of property division to force her to do that. However, again, you're going to file a clarification and an enforcement, and that's what you're going to do. Sir, let me give you the street way to handle things. I hate to say this, but at the end of the day, if that car is in your name, you can get it towed just like she can. Get it towed, tow the car, and be through. I would get somebody to tow that car, and I would keep that vehicle, and I would have it, and that would be the end of that, and let her take me to court. Because at the end of the day, ma'am, you're supposed to be paying your payments, and you're supposed to be getting that car refinanced. As long as you leave somebody on something, they got the right to do with it what they want to. So if I were you, I would start messing with ownership of that car. I would start enforcing my ownership against her ass so that it will force her to move quick and get that car out my name. Because if you don't want it towed and you don't want it this and you don't want it thatted, then you're going to go ahead and get it out my name so I can stop fucking with it. Next case!
Biggest time I made that call, I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.